In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Excel files to PDFs online on Adobe Acrobat. To get started, open Adobe Acrobat Home in your web browser. This is where you can access your files and use Acrobat's online tools without needing to do the conversion manually in a spreadsheet program. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the main home screen because that's where the upload option will be easiest to find. Next, look toward the bottom right area of the page for the Your Files section. In that area, click Upload Files. This is the step that brings your Excel document into Adobe Acrobat so you can work with it online. If you have several files on your device, it helps to already know where your spreadsheet is saved so you can select it quickly. When your device's file browser opens, choose the Excel file you want to convert. Select the spreadsheet from its folder, then confirm your choice so Acrobat can upload it. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the file, this may take a few moments. It's a good idea to wait until the upload fully completes before moving on, so the next options appear properly. Once the file opens in Acrobat, go to the top bar and click Convert. This tells Acrobat that you want to change the format of the uploaded file. After that, look to the left-hand column for the section labeled Convert to PDF and click Convert there as well. This is the actual action that starts turning your Excel spreadsheet into a PDF document. Give Acrobat a moment to process the file. During this step, the platform converts the spreadsheet layout into a PDF format that is easier to share, view, and store consistently across different devices. This is especially useful if you want your formatting to stay in place when sending the file to other people. When the conversion finishes, Acrobat will open the newly editable PDF file. At this point, your Excel file has successfully been turned into a PDF, and you can review the results directly in Acrobat. This lets you confirm that the pages, tables, and overall formatting came through as expected. And that's it. You've now converted an Excel file to a PDF online using Adobe Acrobat. If you're doing this often, a helpful tip is to double-check your spreadsheet formatting before uploading, since cleaner layouts usually convert more smoothly into polished PDF documents.